So today we're going to be replacing the fuel system in the car. I mean, what I have right now is, I guess, was good for what I had, but because we're going to be doing water meth, Louis and Nelson suggested that we upgrade the system. So why is that, Louis?
Or choose more power. We're getting rid of the dual pump setup that we had. Two reasons. One, we need more fuel flow.
Okay.
And two, they are loud as hell.
That's true.
So we went ahead and got the brushless Aeromotive black pump. We're gonna run that controlled by the Haltech. So in reality, what we're gonna do is, instead of putting all the load on the fuel pressure regulator, we're gonna use the pump. As RPMs go up or boost or whatnot, however it gets set, the voltage on the pump is gonna change, which will increase the airflow.
Oh, okay.
Basically, same thing all of the factory new cars are doing. So you run the pump at 9 volts. Once you start getting up in the boost or RPM, then the pump speeds up and increases fuel pressure.
Oh, nice. Okay,
and
cool.
It's gonna be a lot more fuel going through.
So what are we changing the lines to, right? From, what is it, 6 AN?
For 6s, we're gonna go to a -10 pickup, -8 feed, and then split the feed at the top for 2-6 in and out of the rails.
Awesome.
And back into the tank.
Cool. And if everything goes well, we'll be throwing this car on the dyno tomorrow and see what it does. Fingers crossed.
Yep.
So I've been running these filters here for about a little bit over 3 years now. So we're gonna open them up right now and see how they look.
Well, how much mic on are they?
10.
Not that bad. They got some dirt, but they're not that bad. Flush it real quick, put some new ones on, and then change the cap.
But we still have one more to check. So yeah, that one, not that clean.
That means that one pump, it was fully moving in the other.
So just to start fresh, we're gonna install these brand new filters right here, some 10 micron. And we will be adding another filter, which is gonna be this one for the outlet side of the pump. Fancy. Okay, so this is day 2, and we're on the dyno now. We got JJ, Carlos, Louis, everybody setting everything up, getting it ready. So this tuning is gonna be a little different than usual because we're gonna have Louis in the car, but Nelson's gonna be where?
Texas.
Texas. So this is gonna be remote tuning.
Yes, sir.
All right. So Nelson pretty much is gonna tell them what to do.
Stop!
Nelson is tuning the car without no turbo, so the charge pipe is actually off the car. Then once he gets that all done, we're gonna connect the pipe back up, add some boost to it, see what it does. Once we dial that in, then he's gonna start introducing the methanol into it. move on to incorporating the meth. So we're all done with this. The car on 91 made 360 horsepower, and with the meth it made 400 to the wheel. So that's pretty good. It's healthy. This is what Nelson was comfortable with. So this is where we're gonna leave it. You know, we're trying to keep it reliable as we can. So now it's just time for me to go out and enjoy this thing. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, consider subscribing, like the video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.